What's up, guys? This is Evil Crossover back with another review video, and this is for the Harry Potter ramen bowl with chopsticks. Now, this is super dope for eating ramen in a nice looking bowl. It's a nice little ceramic bowl, and it has the Harry Potter characters Hermione, Harry, and Ron as anime characters. This is so cool. So we have it on both sides here, the artwork, and it comes with these chopsticks. And look at the designs on these chopsticks here. Wow, oh wow. So you mentioned eating these chopsticks, eating ramen with these chopsticks here. So it's so cool. So it comes in this box here, has the good old Harry Potter on the box. And you have to put the chopsticks right through this hole too. So you can hold it, and it goes right in through the hole. And boom, you're all set. And that's the review. Catch you on the next one.